Salam, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel. I am teacher Ibrahim Jamal, and today we are going to learn the linking words, which are very important for you to express your ideas and organize your thought in your speaking and writing skills. And today, inshallah, I will explain everything and I will make it easy for you. Today, inshallah, we will learn and, but, so, or, because, although, and in order to, even if. But, what's the meaning of but? But means to show the opposite thing. يعني بمعنى ولكن. We use it نظهر عكس الشيء. For example, this car is fast but expensive. She is old but healthy. She is beautiful but crazy. And what's the meaning of and? بمعنى و. For we use and to give or to add more information. For example, he is Tom and she is Heidi. This elephant is big and strong. We use and between informative and affirmative. For example, she is beautiful and smart. الصفتين إيجابيتين. Or negative and negative. For example, he is dangerous and ugly. Okay, صفتين سيئتين. Or, when we use or, what's the meaning of or? Or means أو. We use it for any questions and in sentences to give choices. Okay. For example, do you like the red car or the blue car? Do you like English or mathematics? Come with me or go with your friends. Okay, or to give choices لإعطاء الاختيارات. What's the meaning of so? So means to give a result بمعنى بالعربي so بمعنى لذلك. He won the election, so he is dancing. I was hungry, so I ate food. He overslept, so he missed the bus. Okay, بمعنى لذلك. Because, what's the meaning of because? Because means بسبب, to show the reason. يعني تعطي السبب. For example, I love Ramadan month because I love sambusa. He is in jail because he is a bad man. I closed her mouth because she is talkative. He is sad because he doesn't have a job. I love Ramadan month because it's the month of Allah. I drink water because I am thirsty. I am hungry because I didn't eat anything. Although, what's the meaning of although? It means بالرغم, to show a contrast. Okay, although she is rich, she is sad. بالرغم أنها غنية لكنها سعيدة, لكنها بمعنى أنها حزينة. Although she is alone, she is happy. He is sad, although he is rich. It is a bird, though it can't fly. I am single, although I am 36 years old. What's the meaning of even if? Even if means حتى لو. Even if you are rich, you cannot buy happiness. Even if you are strong, there is someone who is stronger than you. Even if you cheat in the exam, you will not pass. You will not learn English even if you cheat. Even if I am a teacher, I am not perfect. In order to, what's the meaning of in order to? Means لكي. In order to learn English, you need to study hard. In order to be a doctor, you need to study 7 years in university. In order to succeed in life, you have to be confident. Okay? In order to get money, you need to work. In order to be happy, obey your father and mother. If you learn the linking words, I promise you that you will be able to express your ideas and organize your thought in speaking or writing. Remember, they are small words, but they make a big difference in your English level. If you learn these words, I promise you that you will be able to express your ideas and organize your thought in your speaking and writing. Thank you for watching. See you inshallah next time.